Hello guys, welcome to How to PC channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add an extension in Arc browser. So it's very easy, let's get started. So firstly, let's open up Arc browser, double click on the shortcut. Now pay attention to the top left corner. Here you can see the Arc browser icon. Let's click on it right here. You'll see a menu where you need to hover your mouse over extensions. And now we will see an additional menu. In it, select Add Extension. So we are taken to a new Chrome Web Store page. Here are all the most popular extensions. And to find a particular extension, let's use the search in the upper right corner of the screen, right here. Let's write, for example, vidIQ. Okay, which is a useful extension for YouTube. Click on it. There it is. And now to download the extension, click on this blue button, Add to Chrome. After that, confirm the installation, just click Add Extension. And that's all. Done. Now this extension works. You can also see all your extensions in Arc browser. To see it, click on this icon again, hover your mouse over extensions again, and click Manage Extensions. And right up here you can see all your extensions. On this page we can remove any extension or deactivate it if you want. So guys, that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to me and like this video. Thank you very much. Bye.